Hoorah, hoorah, hoorah.
Well, hi there. Why are you... I can't stand the sun. I'm pale and I burn easily. And sometimes I get red spots. Try staying in the sun for like 5 minutes. But have some sunblock on. Fine, here I am. Ah, it burns! Hide me from the sun! Ah, perfect. Away from the sun. But now I got red spots again. It's called psoriasis. What's that? Psoriasis is a skin disease marked by red, itchy, scaly patches. It can affect anyone, even loved ones. Like I said before, go in the sun. You only need to be out there a few minutes every other day if you have moderate to severe plaque psoriasis.
Vitamin D!
Studies have shown how vitamin D can prevent as many as 30 different kinds of cancer. But how does it work? Well, here's the thing. Vitamin D is actually a hormone, and its primary function is cell management. Yeah, in fact, more than 90% of this important hormone is created when your skin is exposed to UVB light. Alright, so check this out. Throughout your body, millions of cells are constantly reproducing, right? Every one of these cells has a vitamin D receptor, and for good reason. Occasionally, something goes wrong with the cell and it mutates. When this happens, vitamin D plugs into that cell and sends a message to the nucleus telling it how to repair itself. If the cell cannot be repaired, vitamin D tells the cell how to destroy itself. That way it won't multiply and spread throughout the body. Okay, so take a second and imagine what happens if your body doesn't have enough vitamin D. Yeah, the mutating cells multiply uncontrollably and can spread throughout your body. But hey, wait a second. If your body has enough vitamin D, it can fix or destroy those mutating cells before they multiply and allow the disease to take hold. Cancer prevention is just one of the many benefits of the vitamin D hormone. That's why it's important that we get regular UVB exposure for the most natural and effective.
Hi, I need help. My joints hurt really bad and I don't know what to do.
Go out in the sun! Come with me. Vitamin D, go!
I feel better!
It's because of vitamin D!
Vitamin D! I have a high risk of Parkinson's disease. But thanks to vitamin D, that risk has been lowered. Man, I really want to lose some weight. And thanks to vitamin D, it worked.
Go.
Vitamin D helps the body absorb nutrients like calcium and phosphorus. Man, this chem project is really stressing me out.
Stop! Come on, let's go. Go!
You know what? I don't feel stressed anymore. Au revoir!
In this video, you're going to discover why a lack of vitamin D could be absolutely detrimental to your health as well as your fitness performance. So pay close attention. My name is Jim O'Connor from a consumer advocate website for health and fitness called wellnessword.com. Now the buzzword, vitamin D. Why is everybody so wigged out about vitamin D? A lot of research is being done on it right now, and a lot of great information is coming on. I want to share that with you today to help impact your fitness as well as your health. Now, you say vitamin D. Why? And who cares? Now, so you're deficient. So what? Well, here's the deal. Vitamin D deficiency can cause a heightened stress fracture risk, number one. Okay? You don't want that. Decreased immune function can also elevate your blood pressure. There's a possibility of that occurring as well. Weaken your bones, and for athletes, that is detrimental, right? If you're a football player and get hit and your bones are weak, or a basketball player, it can contribute to stress fractures, track athlete, etc. So that's important. What about muscle weakness and pain? That's another side effect of being vitamin D deficient. Depression? You don't want that. And what about cancer or heart disease? Absolutely no way. So I hope I have your attention now. So please pay close attention, because this will impact your life. Vitamin D, what exactly does it do? It helps promote calcium absorption in your body, and that's important. It also regulates inflammation, especially recovery after exercise, and also neuromuscular control in your body. So vitamin D plays an important role. So many scientists have been analyzing and studying vitamin D, and what they're saying is that 400 international units IUs is just not enough. That's the recommended right now. We need more, and a lot of scientists are recommending 1,700 IUs to 2,000 IUs each and every day. A lot of the research supports that right now, and that's where you want to boost it up. You want to boost your consumption up. Now, why are 75% of us deficient in vitamin D? So 75%, and it could be you, 75% of the people watching this video right now are deficient in vitamin D. And that, once again, could possibly be you. But why? Well, first of all, we don't get a lot of vitamin D in our diets. We get it in milk, we get it in fish, we get it in sometimes cheeses, it's, like I said, certain type of fish as well, beef liver, egg yolks. But we just don't get enough that way. And also, like I'm out here in the sun right now, I'm getting my vitamin D. I don't want to stay in the sun too long because it can cause skin cancer. Well, that's the second reason why you're not getting enough vitamin D, is because everybody has sunscreen on, which is important to do, but they're not getting a ton of sun. And especially if you live in the northern climates, there's an issue there, where you're in the winter months and you're inside all the time. You're not getting enough vitamin D, which can lead to all these issues. So how do you get more? Well, first of all, 5 to 30 minutes of sun exposure 2 times a week. You know, maybe not in your face and your ears because it gets so much sun exposure on places that you wouldn't. Maybe your legs, maybe your knees, maybe your thighs. Once again, 5 to 30 minutes of sun exposure 2 times a week. Increase your milk consumption. If you can consume milk and it doesn't bother you, you're not lactose intolerant, you can have milk which is fortified with vitamin D. That will help as well. You can eat fish, some beef liver or egg yolks. I mean, limit obviously that because there's a lot of saturated fats in that stuff too. Fortified cereals with vitamin D3. That's another option as well. But what you're going to really need to do is you're going to need to supplement. Take a multivitamin, that's what I do, or a regular vitamin D supplement. That's important. That'll get you up to that 1,700 to 2,000 international units a day. Like the supplement I'm taking right now has 600 international units, and I'm getting some sun, and I get some, of the other vitamin D in my.
It's been 6 weeks since we left England. 5 days since we had the peace. Oh, I got the madness.